in recent years, China is trying to get themselves in the same table with world's leading technology company. For example, we joined those organizations worldwide, try to keep up their pace for world's leading technology leader. China is not only limited on the exporting to United States. Of course, we rely on them. It's our major business partner. But we still have lots of business to European, to Southeast Asia countries. So if some roads are blocked, we are trying to seek more other opportunities. This is why you can see our exhibitors are seeking the direction to Europe. Just like Eurobus in Nuremberg, it's a very large potential market for die-casting products in Europe. It's a gateway. So we have found another how to say substitution or replacement to pick up the export volume. The country used to be agriculture relied, and then is manufacturing. And with the starting era of open policy and the reform, we start to do exporting. But being realized with the increasing standard of procurement, our manufacturers are seeking more technology from abroad. At the same time, like those high-tech companies like Huawei or ZTE, they try to hold those core technology in their hands. Spreading to the whole country, I think we are going to achieve the success of technology revolution. The higher level or well-developed companies will invest more on the research side, which meaning we are trying to develop our own technology. Maybe we're still in the progress, we're still in the period of starting level, but they would like to invest more on technology, no matter it's having those patents internationally, or they try to develop some self-holding core technology. Both are being benefits, both are being good to the manufacturing. So I think this is a very important change to China industry owners. Unlike the years before, the owner will care about like an expansion of their plants and manufacturing. Instead, they care about the evolution of technology. We don't rely on people's experience or their hands to finish a perfect product. We use the machine. But on the other hand, we wish those young guys can understand how to use those machines. This is why we get them educated.